Have you ever tried to launch Unreal Project Browser, but instead it launched the most recent project that you have worked on? If yes, let me show you what is the reason and how we can launch the project browser again. First, we need to understand what is causing this. So in the Unreal Engine browser, if you enable Always Load Last Project on Startup option, it will always open your most recent project on Startup. Now, we know the reason, but the question is how we can disable it if it's already enabled, and since we are not able to access the project browser anymore. In this case, you need to launch Unreal Engine and it will automatically launch the most recent project. In the project window, go under File, Open Project, and then disable the Always Load Last Project on Startup option. Now the settings back to default. Close the Unreal Engine and try to launch it again. You will see it will launch the project browser instead. This was how you can enable and disable the Auto Load Project option in Unreal Engine 5. If you want to see more content on this channel, please comment down below and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Once again, thanks for watching. I see you guys next time.